Hello students, this is lecture number 3 on matrix and determinant. In this lecture, we will study how to subtract two matrices and what means the transpose of the matrix. So firstly, we'll study what means or how to get the subtraction of the matrices. Okay, suppose I have two matrices. If A and B are two matrices of same order, then subtraction of matrices A and B exist, and it is given by A minus B. Okay, now in this definition of subtraction of matrices, this word is important. If both the matrices of orders same order, then only we can subtract two matrices. Otherwise, the subtraction of the matrices does not exist. Okay, what it means, suppose I have the matrix A of order m by n and a matrix B of order p by q, then this term A minus B exists only if the order of the both matrix should be equal. Okay, for example, suppose I will take the matrix A 1 2 1 3 and matrix B as minus 1 1 0 1. The matrix A is of order 2 by 2 and the matrix B is of order 2 by 2. Then this A minus B exists because why? The order of both the matrices are equal. This order is equal to this order. Okay, suppose I will take the example of the matrix. Suppose the matrix is 1 2 3 and the matrix B is suppose 1 2 3. Okay, then what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 3 by 1 and order of this matrix is 1 by 3. So 3 by 1 is not equal to 1 by 3. This implies A minus B does not exist. Okay, now if the order of the matrix is same, in this case if you will see, these are the examples. Okay, suppose this is a matrix A which is of order 2 by 2 and this is matrix B which is of order 2 by 2, then the subtraction of the A minus A exists, right? Because the orders are same. And how to subtract two matrices? Okay, the subtraction will held and it will be like the corresponding elements of every matrix will get subtracted from each other. Okay, means what? The corresponding element of this A is P. Okay, so it will get subtracted. So subtraction will be like A minus P, then this will be B minus Q, then this will be C minus R, then this will be D minus S. So this is how we subtract two matrices. Okay, we will see in the next example. This is the matrix A is of order 2 by 2 and this is the matrix B of order 2 by 2. Then what will be the subtraction? Okay, so corresponding element will get subtracted. So this will be 1 minus minus 1, this will be 3 minus 3, this will be 2 minus 1 and this will be 5 minus 5. So finally we will get the answer is equal to 1 minus minus 1, this will be 2, this will be 0, this will be 1 and this will be 0, and whatever matrix we will get, that will also be of the same order. Okay, now we will see the next example. If suppose we have this matrix of order 3 by 3 and this is again the matrix of order 3 by 3, then what will be the subtraction? Okay, so we will subtract the corresponding element. So this 1 will get subtracted with this 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1 will be 0. Then minus 1 minus 1 will be minus 2. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. 2 minus minus 1 will be 3. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 3 minus 3 will be 0. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. And then 5 minus 1 will be 4. So this is how we subtract two matrices. Okay. Now we'll see one example over it. If we have the matrix A, which is of order 2 by 2, and the matrix B is of order 2 by 2, then we need to find the value for 3A minus 2B. So we'll check it. 3A minus 2B. So this is 3 into the matrix A. Matrix A is 2, 4, 3, 7, and the matrix B is 1, 4, 3, 6. Okay, then what will be the subtraction? Okay, this will be like you need to multiply this matrix by this scalar first. Okay, so this will be 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 7, 21, minus, again subtract or multiply this matrix by this scalar 2. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 6 is 12. So take the subtraction, means subtract the corresponding elements. Okay, so this will be 6 minus 2, 9 minus 6, 12 minus 8, and 21 minus 12. So finally we will get the answer. 6 minus 2 is 4, 12 minus 8 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 21 minus 12 will be 9. So this will be the subtraction 3A minus 2B. Next example. Suppose we have the matrix A, which is of order 3 by 3, the matrix B is of order 3 by 3, and the matrix C is of order 3 by 3. Then the question is to find the matrix D such that this equation is satisfying. Okay, so we need to find the value for the matrix D. We need this D, and this D will be obtained by just solving the given equation. Okay, we will solve this example. Okay, so what we have the equation 2A minus 3B minus D is equal to C. So we need this D. Okay, so we can solve this equation. This implies minus D is equal to C minus 2A plus 3B. Okay, again multiply this whole equation by minus sign. So this will be minus C plus 2A minus 3B. Okay, which is again 2A minus C minus 3B. We just need to put the values of this matrices A, C, B to get the value for this matrix D. Okay, so finally we can find this D is equal to 2 into matrix A. What is matrix A? 1 minus 1 4, 3 2 0, 2 0 3, minus C. The matrix C is 2 2 1 1 2 2 2 1 2. Then minus 3 times B. What is matrix B? Matrix B is 1 minus 1 4, 3 2 0 2 0 3. Okay, now just multiply the given matrix by this scalar. So what we will get? 2 into 1, multiply this whole matrix by the scalar 2. So what we will get? We will get this as 2 into 1 2, this will be minus 2, this will be 8, then this will be 6, this will be 4, this will be 0, this will be 4, this will be 0 and 6. Okay, minus this matrix will be as it is 2 2 1 1 2 2, then 2 1 2, and again multiply this whole matrix by the scalar 3. So what we will get? the matrix 3 into 1 3, this will be minus 3, this will be 12, this will be 9, this will be 6, this will be 0, this will be 6, this will be 0, and this will be 9, right? So we need to solve again this equation, which is the subtraction of the matrices. So we'll subtract it in the next page. Okay, so this is our matrix, right? So just subtract the given matrices. Okay, so firstly we will subtract these two matrices. Okay, so corresponding elements will get subtracted. So this will be 2 minus 2, which will be 0, then 6 minus 1 will be 5, then this 4 minus 2 will be 2, then this minus 2 and this minus 2 will be minus 4, then 4 minus 2 will be 2, then this 0 minus 1 will be minus 1, then this 8 minus 1 will be 7, then this 0 minus 2 will be minus 2, then this 6 minus 2 will be 4. Okay, and minus the matrix as it is 3 minus 3, 12, 9, 6, 0, 6, 0, 9. Okay, again one more subtraction we need to take. Okay, so finally we will get this 0 minus 3 will be minus 3, 5 minus 9 will be minus 4, this 2 minus 6 will be minus 4, then this minus 4 minus plus 3 will be minus 1, then 2 minus 6 will be minus 4, then minus 1 minus 0 as it is minus 4, then this 7 minus 12 will be minus 5, then minus 2 minus 0 will be minus 2, and 4 minus 9 will be minus 5. So finally this will be our value for the matrix D. That is our final answer. Okay, we'll see one more example. We have given the matrix A, which is of order 2 by 2, and the matrix B of order 2 by 2. Then we need to find the value for x if this equation is given to us. Okay, so if you'll see this example, we need to find the value for x. So what we have first, we have this equation 2x plus 3a minus 4b is equal to identity matrix. This I denote identity matrix. The matrix is said to be identity matrix if it is a diagonal matrix and all the diagonal elements are equal to 1. Okay, so we need this 2x, so we will keep it to the LHS of the equation, and the remaining term will go to the RHS of the equation. So this will be I minus 3a plus 4b, which is I will be obviously the identity matrix of order 2 by 2. So this will be 1 0 0 1 minus 3 times a is 3 2 minus 1 4 plus 4 times b is 1 minus 3 2 0. Okay, so this is equal to 1 0 0 1 minus, multiply this equation, this matrix by the scalar 3, this will be 9, this will be minus 3, this will be 6 and 12, then multiply again this matrix by the scalar 4, so this will be 4 into 1 4 minus 12 8 and 0. Okay, now just subtract all three matrices. Okay, so firstly we will subtract first two matrices. Okay, so subtraction will be 1 minus 9 is minus 8, 0 minus 3 will be 3. Okay, then 0 minus 6 will be minus 6, 1 minus 12 will be minus 11, plus 4 8 minus 12 0. Okay, so finally we can find the value for this 2x, which is equal to, adding both the matrices, minus 8 plus 4 minus 4, 3 plus 8, 11, then minus 6, minus 12, minus 18, minus 11, plus 0, minus 11. Okay, so finally we got the value for 2x, but we need the value for x. Okay, so what we got the value for 2x, which is minus 4, minus 18, 11, minus 11. Okay, so finally we get x. Now take this 2 to the RHS, this will be 1 by 2 into minus 4, minus 18, 11 and minus 11. So that is our final answer. Okay, now next thing is, what means the transpose of the matrix and how we find the transpose of the matrix. Okay, now suppose A be any matrix of order m by n. Okay, order may be anything, then transpose of matrix A is denoted by, transpose of the matrix A is denoted by A transpose. Okay, and we obtain A transpose by, how we get this transpose? By converting rows to columns and columns to rows. Okay, so this is very simple definition of the how to find the matrix transpose. Okay, so obviously by the definition, suppose A be any matrix of order m by n, then the transpose of the matrix A is denoted by A transpose. Okay, and how to get this? Just by converting rows to columns and columns to rows. Okay, for example, suppose I have the matrix A, B, C, D. Okay, you know the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Okay, then the transpose of A, it will be denoted by A transpose, and it will be obtained just by converting rows to the columns and columns to the row. Okay, now if you will observe, the first row of this matrix is AB, so that will become first column of the matrix A transpose, and the second row of the matrix A is CD, so that will become the second column of the matrix A transpose. Okay, now if you'll observe here, if I will take one more example for this. Okay, suppose I will take the matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, then the A transpose will be, okay, now if you'll observe here, this matrix is of order 1 by 3. Then what will be the transpose of this matrix? Okay, so what will happen? What is the definition? Definition says convert rows to the columns and columns to the rows. Now in the given matrix there is only one row. Okay, there is only one row, 1, 2, 3, so that will become only column in the matrix A transpose. Okay, now one thing is to observe here, what we had the matrix of order 1 by 3, and the transpose, whatever transpose we will get, that will be the matrix of order 3 by 1. Okay, what it means, if you have the matrix, okay, we'll take in the next page, if A be any matrix of order m cross n, then A transpose will be matrix of order n cross n. Okay, what it means, suppose I have the matrix of order 7 by 3, then what will be transpose order? Transpose order will be 3 by 7. Okay, the order get reverse. okay, and that is called the transpose of the matrix. Okay, now the question is, suppose we have the matrix A and the question is to find the transpose of the matrix. Okay, so we can find the transpose of the matrix just by converting rows to the columns and columns to the row. So first row will become first column 1 3 2, first column will become first, second row will become second column 2 4 0, and third row will become third column of the transpose of the matrix. Okay, so this matrix was of order 3, so obviously we will get the matrix transpose is of order 3. Okay, now we have another example. If suppose the matrix is given to be A, which is of order 2 by 3, and the matrix B is of order 2 by 3, then we have to verify this equation. A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, so for solving such an example, firstly we will calculate what is the value for A plus B. Okay, we know how to add two matrices. So A will get added to matrix B. Okay, and what we will get, see this, we need to understand here when two matrices will get added. Okay, the matrix addition is possible only when both the matrices is of same order. Okay, so A and B has the same order, so we can add it. Okay, so we will get this addition is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 plus 3 which will be 5, minus 1 plus 4 is 3. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, so we got this addition as A plus B. Now we can consider the LHS of the equation. What says LHS? A plus B is a transpose. Okay, now we got this value for A plus B, so its transpose will be the matrix 1 5 3. First row will become first column and second row will become second column. Okay, now consider the RHS. Okay, now suppose I will consider the RHS here. Okay, RHS is what? A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, now firstly find out what is A transpose. A transpose will be 2 3 minus 1 4 5 0 plus B transpose, this will be minus 1 2 4 1 3 0, and adding both the matrices, what you will get? 2 minus 1 1, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, then this will be 5 8 3 and 0. So if you will observe here, our LHS has become RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, and hence the proof. Okay, so this is the end of the lecture. In the next lecture we will study how to multiply two matrices. Thank you.